for last couple of years do not publish ranking. So also I have not called you as per your ranks. I have collected your percentages, and most of the students who could secure 90% and above were called. So you would be among the first 10 or 15 students in each stream. Let me be clear about it. So there could be some student, because official ranking has not been declared and I have not invited you according to the ranking.